So like this.
No, oh!
No, that!
Oh, no.
Are you mad? How about some of this? And a bit of this.
I could not be any happier right now. Welcome to Extra Help. Whoa, 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 whoa. You took over our show last week. We're not having that again. Go on, off you go. Off you go.
No, you're going to have to push. No, I'm going to push Rosemary. I'm going to push her. There we go. Yes. Jeez.
The cheek of it.
This is our show, Rosemary, not your show.
I'm not having
our
it.
show. They walked off yesterday.
Don't give them the airtime, guys.
I'm going to push her. I'm going to push you. You're going to have to hold me back, Woody.
Now, guys, it was the semi-finals this week on Cooking with the Stars. Maura Higgins has just been eliminated.
We're going to be chatting to her a little later on, but first, here's what happened when we were let loose behind the scenes.
This is Extra Helpings.
Rosemary, you cheeky so-and-so.
Okay, guys, just want to introduce Josie to Extra Helpings. Now, Josie, we're going to play a little challenge with you today, okay? It's called Don't Pick the Wrong Mystery Drink, okay?
Yeah, to be fair, it's exactly what it says on the tin. 2 are good, 1's bad.
Yeah, when you say bad, like, how bad is it?
Oh, it's horrendous. We've got spit buckets if we need them.
Stand
What
by.
is it? What is it?
To be honest with you, we don't know. They all know.
Yeah, should we do it?
Okay.
Josie's up for it. Okay, Josie, which box are you going to pick?
I'll pick the yellow. Woody, you can have the blue.
Which means I'm on the red.
Okay,
we're going to go
We're
for
going to go
this.
on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
That was good. That was good.
Oh, it's so good.
Was you bad? Was you bad? What you got?
It's in the mouth!
What is it? Josie, do you want the spit bucket? First spit bucket of the day.
Any idea what it was?
Yeah, it was gherkin juice.
Ah! Can we just confirm, was it gherkin juice?
Verify it was gherkin
It was gherkin juice! Josie! I love it. I love it. Bit of a bad start, Jose.
Bit of a bad start. There's more to come.
Oh yeah. That was round 1.
Should we get on to round 2?
All right. Right, I'm going to go blue. Woody, you're going to go with the yellow.
I'm going yellow.
And Kleiny, you're going to go with the red.
All right, we ready?
Yep.
All right, we're going on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That was a proper heave.
I could not be any happier right now. Can you go away with that bucket? I don't want that bucket here. Take that bucket.
Josie, do you want the bucket?
I'm all right, Frank. I'll give it a miss. You're too kind.
Josie, you're killing me here.
Sorry, but I'm so glad you had that. Was that fish sauce, was it?
Yeah, was it fish sauce?
Oh, the fish sauce.
Right, okay,
Okay.
let's get on to the last round, guys.
Right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I will go for the red.
Where would you like myself to go?
I'd like you to go to the blue.
Okay.
Please.
I'm yellow.
And then Kleiny's in yellow.
Kleiny is on the
Woody, I know this is really horrible, but I really hope you get this.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! Yes! Sip it! No, swallow it, Woody, swallow it! Woody, face us! Face us, Woody! Look at his eyes! Woody, look up! What was it? It was chili oil! Chili oil! It's coming down your mouth! Amazing! Josie, everybody!
Got a presenter down if you need one.
It's going to be Josie and Kleiny from now on at Extra Helpings. We'll see you soon.
I never want to be reminded of fish sauce again. Well, it's a good job it's fish next then.
Okay, guys, we have got the pleasure of being joined by Jack Stein, the fish connoisseur. What he doesn't know about fish is not worth knowing about.
Thank you, boys.
Yeah.
Right, we've got a little challenge for you.
Yep.
Okay, you're going to be blindfolded.
Yep.
And we're going to put fish in front of your face, and you have to guess what that fish is.
By touch?
By touch and smell,
okay.
yeah?
Yeah, I can do that.
Nice and simple.
No problem.
Let's do it. Go on, Jack.
here it comes.
It's in front of you. There you go.
That's a sea bream.
It's a wow!
Yeah, it's in front of your face.
It's in front of the face.
All right.
Sea bass.
It's a sea bass. It's a sea bass.
Here it comes.
It's in front of you.
Right in there.
Oh, I smoked haddock. I hate it.
Is he right?
Oh, wow.
He's right again. How's he that done, Jack? Is something fishy going on or what?
Right, that's a mackerel.
It's 100% right! Jack Stein, the legend.
I'm
the
actually
fish.
speechless. Thanks for joining us on Extra Help.
Yes.
Jack Stein, what a guy.
Stein and Klein.
What a
Stein
man.
and Klein.
Yeah, go on, go on. You finish it. You do the outro, Link.
It's
Go on.
Stein and Klein. Extra helpings. Thanks for coming.
You come in.
Where's Anton?
Well, come over here, look. Woody's just told us he's got an Easter egg for us.
I've got a cheeky suspicion that we've got a Vandal in our midst.
Really? Oh.
Anton was here.
Oh.
Man, you think, you know, if he's done that to this set, what's he done to the Strictly bathrooms?
Oh, so true. Anton de Beck, man. Look at that. That's vandalism.
OK, time to see what wine Fred has for us this week.
Jim. Yeah, I work out. Well, you do work out too.
Fred.
Listen, did I tell you about the wine of the week?
Yes.
This is the Picpoul de Pinet. This is from the south of France, Languedoc-Roussillon.
Nice.
It's quite a special grape, and I think for Thai week it will be perfect because it's fresh, it's fine,
Yes.
you know, very, very vibrant. And in terms of the fragrance, it will go very well with the Thai food. It's beautiful, delicate flavors.
Ain't you talking, Fred?
Let's play this game, OK? It's don't spill the wine challenge. OK,
Yes.
got a bottle of wine. We have to fill it up, OK? Whoever fills it over the top of the wine
Okay,
glass.
when you pick up the wine, please pick it up
Fred,
with
can you
respect.
just-
like this.
No.
Oh, do that!
Whoa!
Are you mad?
That's a sin.
This is sick.
Oh, oh,
You can't do that! This is a bottle of wine.
This
It
is-
needs to be treated with respect.
Yes. Like this, yes.
Hold it here.
You're gonna do something.
No.
Oh.
You ready?
Yep, okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. Go onwards. Oh, he's going for a big old pour here.
Oh, yeah, I am going high here.
This is the challenge.
Yes.
Yes,
Don't spill it, Fred.
Don't spill it.
This is the challenge.
This is the challenge. Do you not like it?
No, but I mean, it is like pouring wine inside a glass. It's like, let's do a challenge. I'm gonna run a bath.
Cut you in a little.
I'll
We'll give
come
you a
up
little
with
brown envelope.
I'll come up with
Yes.
content.
All right, well, let's see who wins it then, Fred.
Go on then. Put your money where
let's
your
see who
mouth is,
wins
Fred.
it. Come on in.
Go on.
I'll do it with a hand behind my back.
Okay, you can't-
Professional.
All right, is this how you do it? Pour in, I'm going to show you in a minute.
Oh, Fred.
Oh, look.
Push us.
Proper. Get right into the position.
There we go.
Yeah, great work from you.
Wow. Yeah. Eat that, Fred.
I just want to see where I am.
I can see exactly where
You're an M&S, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know.
Go on, Fred. Go on, Fred. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wow. That was crafty.
I think it's your go.
Okay. No, oh. That was good. Just pour the wine. Oh. Hold on. He's okay.
I'm going for a name title.
Okay.
I'm at the Crucible. Watch this.
Come on, Fred.
One hand behind my back. Whoa! This is extraordinary.
Oh, no!
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I won!
No!
Go on.
Oh, nice. Yes. Love that. Fred Sirieix on Extra Helpings, ladies and gentlemen. What a guy. What a man.
Kleiny!
Yes.
This is the Whisper Challenge!
Whoa. He's too loud. He's too loud. Sorry, he's too loud.
Sorry about that, Dr. Ranch.
Sorry about him.
Apologies.
Now, you've probably guessed we're playing the Whisper Challenge.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to wear these headphones first.
Okay.
You're going to tell us some things and we've got to guess what they are.
So technically, you're doing the whispering, and then we're
Yeah.
obviously trying to work it out, and sorry if I end up being a bit loud.
Gotcha.
Okay, we're in.
Headphones on.
Play the
Okay.
music.
Ready?
Yes.
What? Yeah.
Defibrillator.
Go again.
Defibrillator.
I got that. Refrigerator.
Yeah, but that's my go.
I'm sorry. Was it right? No.
Defibrillator.
Defibrillator.
There you go.
Yes!
Give you that. Next one. Paracetamol.
I am a mole.
Paracetamol.
I have a mole. Something to do with moles.
Paracetamol.
Yes!
Hyperextension.
I don't know what you're saying, but it looks like you're saying I'm not pretentious.
Hyperextension. Hyperextension.
I don't know that. Should we
Move on.
Move on.
Hematoma.
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 Well done, Woody.
Mucus.
Beauty.
Lucas.
No.
Lucas.
Mucus.
Booty.
Mucus.
Mucus.
Yes! What did you say? Mucus.
Gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus.
Gluteus maximus. Ah! You're not allowed to do that. That's a clue. But I'm happy you did because I got one right.
He can have it.
Yeah. There you go. Migraine.
One more time.
Margarita. No.
Migraine. Yes!
Oh, you cheated. You used
There
my
you
word
go.
then. Helped you.
Can we take these off?
Here we go.
Please.
Wow. Oh, well. I can only apologise for what was coming out of my mouth there. Dr. Ranj, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Ranj. Let's see how you and the other stars got on in Tie Week. First up, it was Joe.
I feel like Delia now, but Delia was making stuff that's utter nonsense.
Against Josie.
You know, we're in the semi-finals now. It's time to up the game.
Followed by Maura
I mean business.
versus Dr. Ranj.
Just when you ask me if I feel more relaxed, I fling a prawn across the kitchen.
Joe ended up in the cook-off again.
I'm always in the cook-off. Might as well just put a donut up there and just go, yeah, came second.
And the cook-off assassin did it one more time, with Maura going home.
The winner of the cook-off is Joe.
Maura will join us shortly, but first, we'll give that cook-off a go ourselves.
Back with popular demand on extra helpings, it's none other than Woody and Kleiny! Yes! I'm so proud. Is that meant to be Chris? Chrissy Baber! Sorry, Chris.
Don't worry.
I got my lines mixed up there, mate.
Now, Chris, it's Tie Week. This is the cook-off that saw Joe and Maura do spring rolls and sweet chilli sauce.
That's the one.
Yeah?
Before we get into our challenge, you know the drill, Chris. It's time for your challenge.
Yeah.
You've got 20 seconds to take us through this amazing, delicious recipe.
Right.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fry your pork and garlic, add the veg, add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, and some corn flour. For the batter, mix corn flour and water together until it's very, very loose. Fry it off like pancakes, remove, put the filling in the middle, roll it up like a burrito, fry for 3 or 4 minutes until golden. For the dipping sauce, put it all into a saucepan, bring it to the boil, remove from the heat, add the corn flour. Delicious.
Oh, Chrissy Baber, 17.63 seconds! Yeah. Wow, that's why he's here!
Oh, what a man.
So, mate, what's the challenge you've got for us?
So, boys, your challenge today is to fill, roll, and seal as many spring rolls as you can in 90 seconds.
Oh.
I want good uns. They got to look nice. Okay. Right, so in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on.
There we go. Yeah. What about Kleiny? Thank you.
Come on, flip it over, then pull it in tight.
There we go.
There you go. Look at that.
Roll. Look at that, I'm on a roll. Here we go. There we go.
Come on, boys, let's try and get another one in.
Go over there. You got bits all over that one.
Go.
10.
Hold on.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Right, let's get in and have a look at these. So the important thing is to make sure they're sealed, because if they go in the fry and they're unsealed, they're going to come apart. And I think there's only one way to settle this debate is how well do they fry?
Yeah!
Yeah, get them in the fryer gently. Let's get them in the fryer.
Here we go. Carefully does it.
Try and seal it in.
In we go.
It might be all right because you've got a layer in between. Nice and crispy.
Coming out.
Yeah. On. Yeah, that's it.
Look at that. Do you know what? I'll turn it that way up.
Drain them off a bit.
Nah, do you know what? I'm going to face camera.
That looked good presentation.
Oh, thank you, Chris.
Yeah. Boys, you've both managed to make 2, which is a great effort. And under closer inspection and a bit of investigating,
what?
There's been a bit of something going on here, and I've caught you out.
No.
Snapping off the dodgy bits where it all unfolded. So there's only one clear winner.
There we go.
And it's over here this week.
Yes! Yes! Kleiny!
What a turn of events!
You cannot be serious, man!
I was going to say tuck in, but he's already gone for it. Get in there.
Oh, Chris, that's actually really good.
You can get all the ingredients for these in M&S. Go and make them at home. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's the best way to describe
Thanks so much for
food.
joining us again, Chris. We'll see you next week.
See you then.
Thank you very much, mate.
Right now, we're joined by a semi-finalist, the lovely Maura Higgins, and her mentor, Jack!
Now, Maura, we're absolutely gutted for you. You could see how competitive you was on the show. Are you disappointed in leaving?
I am a bit because
Yeah.
I put so much into it, but I'm happy for Joe. Like, it was horrible being up against Joe because I get on so well with him.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm happy now.
Now, look, you've learnt so much, obviously, from this show and obviously from your mentor, Jack. Do you think you'll carry on cooking and obviously putting it into practice?
I'm still going to use the jars.
M&S jars, I hope. All M&S.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I was expecting a cookbook.
Yeah.
That's what I was
To be
expecting.
fair.
You'll be waiting for it.
I'll be waiting a long time. Jack, I want to come to you now. How's it been, working with Maura?
It's been amazing. From the start, she's learned in her own way. We've kind of gone through the recipes and done them so she knows them. She's been focused, clean.
However, have you ever been bossed around the kitchen as much as you had by Maura?
Oh dear.
Here's an exclusive right in front of Maura.
Okay, look, let's get to the bottom of this.
Be nice.
Let's get to the bottom of this, right? So Maura is, she's a force of nature in the kitchen. She is, and you know what? When she starts to boss me around or talk to me like that, I know she's confident, she knows what she's doing. And to be honest, like in the cook today, she was brilliant. She was brilliant. And look, we're out in the semi-finals, understand why, blah, blah, blah. But like, I could not be proud of her today.
Love it. Love it. Now, Maura, before you go, have you got time for one more challenge?
Go on, then.
Yeah, one more challenge, yeah? Shall we bring in Percy Pig?
Bring in the big
Yes!
What a big God! Percy! Great work, Percy. Excellent. Just a little jiggle. There we go. Now, this is the Percy Pig Biscuit Challenge, all right? All you need to do is build a Percy Pig biscuit tower. Oh no, sorry, I'm taking your line.
You can take my line. Have my line, Woods. Have my line, mate. You can have it.
And you have 20 seconds to do so.
And you can only use one hand, okay? And if the biscuit tower falls, carry on. Okay, are you ready? Right.
And 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Maura!
Let's go, Maura. Counterbalance. Counterbalance. Take your time.
Yeah,
Take your time.
excellent. Take your time.
Take your time.
You're doing well.
10 seconds left. Take your time. Take your time, because you're doing good. Take your time. 5 seconds. Take your time.
Oh my God.
Take your time.
11.
3, 2, 1, stop! Okay.
I'll tell you what. Oh my God! Oh my God!
What? Is that good or bad?
Yeah, no,
It's
that
done.
counts.
It's
It
done.
counts.
It's
It
done.
counts. It
It's
counts.
done.
It was over.
Try
It
to
wouldn't have
tell me
counted.
that didn't count.
Yes, no, it was.
She's going to kick off.
She's a race car in the red. Okay, one second.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. It don't count.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm joking.
Come back with it and apologise. Apologise.
It counts.
I don't know why, but I thought I would get the
For
one.
crying out loud, it counts. Sorry.
Honestly, she will hurt you.
I'm very
Hurts
scared.
me regularly.
I can't be gentle.
Yes. Okay, let's have a
Okay,
counter.
are we ready? 1, 2,
Please tell
3,
me I want
4,
something.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh my God!
I'll tell you what, guys, let's see where that puts Maura on the leaderboard. She's done it!
She's number one!
Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, Maura Higgins and Jack. Yes!
Now, guys, if you want some more from Extra Helpings or some tasty stuff from M&S, just click right here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the M&S YouTube channel by clicking down here. Woo! Yes!